हॅलो एव्हरीवन. आद्विकच्या UKG कोर्स बुकमधला आपण आज द बोट राईड ही स्टोरी बघणार आहोत. अ फ्रॉग, अ चिक, अ माऊस अँड अ लेडी बग वेअर फ्रेंड्स. कॅन यू ऑल स्विम? द फ्रॉग आस्क्ड हर फ्रेंड. They said no sadly. The frog laughed at them and jumped into the water. As the other friends also wanted to play in the water, they made a plan. They worked together and made a boat with a leaf, shell, straw, wood, and thread. They set the boat on the water and boarded it. The frog was surprised to see them enjoy the boat ride. ही होती आद्विकच्या बुकमधली द बोट राईडची स्टोरी. ओके, बाय.